Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download a free video recording and live streaming software. The name of the software we are going to be using is called OBS Studio. So I'm going to show you how to download and how to auto configuration the OBS Studio. Also, I'm going to show you how to add the microphones, the webcam, as you can see, and how to do a lot of things on OBS Studio. This video was requested from one of my subscribers, Solomon, and to other people that are interested in learning how to record or live stream from their PC. So this video is actually for you. Okay, so if this is your first time, please, once you watch this video and you notice this video is helpful, please kindly give my video a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button and like my video. Without further ado, let's jump right to today's tutorial. You are welcome back. First, open up your web browser. At this moment, I want to say very big thank you to all my subscribers. Because of you, we've been able to hit these numbers of subscribers. As at this moment, I really say a very big thank you to everyone. Thank you. I love you so much. Alright, so now this is the website you need to log into. Link will be in the description box below. Okay, so the OBS Studio is a cross-platform where users with Windows, Mac OS and Linux can actually make use of the software. Okay, and it's a free screen recording software that anyone can actually lay his or her hand on, whether you're an expert, a beginner or intermediate, anyone. Okay, so for this system that I'm using, I'm making use of Windows. Okay, so what I need to do is just to click on Windows to download the application. So by doing so, you will notice it is actually downloading right away. Okay, once we are done with the downloading, so head over to these three dots and select download, or you can also select Ctrl J for those of you using Google Chrome. Okay, just head over to your download folder, and this is the folder we actually want to use. So let me just open it from here, showing folder. So this is the software itself. Okay, so let's install it. Select next. So let's install. So wait for it to do this extraction. It is in. Okay, so from here you can decide to click this or click this. Okay, so for the sake of this, let us just select finish. So once you select finish, OBS Studio will actually load up. So you can actually minimize this and wait for OBS Studio to load up. Alright, okay, so alright, after successfully installing OBS Studio, an auto configuration wizard will pop up like this for you. Now what you need to do is, you have three options, whether you be live streaming for YouTube and Facebook, okay, or will you be only recording from the system, you won't be streaming. And this third one is the latest one that comes with OBS Studio. I will only be using the virtual camera. Okay, so it all depends on the three method you want to use, but for this moment, for those of you that actually want to record alone, okay, and I think this is the best method. And you can switch to other methods you want to switch to probably along the way. Okay, so select the one in the middle, which is just recording. I will not be streaming. Okay, then select next. So once that is done, then obviously will ask you, show you the canvas resolution, okay, for your Windows. All right, and you also have other ones you can actually switch into. Okay, so you could just leave it like this or select the higher one. Okay, so I think this is okay. And the frame per rate seconds, it's also either 30. Just leave it like this and select next. So let OBS Studio do its auto configuration settings for you, and to give you the most suitable configuration for you. Alright, so from what you can see here, you will notice it says the canvas resolution is this, but the output resolution is this. So you can actually change this, okay? Because if you're actually uploading videos to YouTube, Facebook, now the resolution is a little bit slow, so you can actually increase this. Alright, so which I'm going to show you. So with that, let's select apply settings, okay, for now. So let me maximize this. Now once you install this and things are going perfectly like this, you will notice this tab menus here. Okay, this is the scene tab, this is source tab, the audio mixer. You will notice as I'm talking, it's actually showing the waves of my voice. Okay, and we also have other settings here. All right, so the first thing you see is a very blank window like this. Now to set it, what you need to do is to select this plus sign. Okay, then first thing you need to just select is your display settings, that's the display capture. So once you select the display capture, then you select OK. Okay, so once you select OK, now you notice you could now see some display showing on the screen, right? Okay, now take note, for those of you using a graphic system, you need to switch from the graphic mode to the system mode. Okay, probably I will create a video on that if any one of you wants me, if you want a tutorial on that. Okay, so next you select OK. So once that is done, now we now have a frame rate. Okay, so the next one is to add an audio. Okay, now this is the mic on my system, because I'm presently using an external mic or phone. Okay, so you need to add an audio input capture. Okay, so just you can rename this or just leave it like that and select OK. So it will ask you what device you want to use. Now either you leave it on default or it selects another external microphone. So I'm using Microsoft Live Cam, okay, HD 3000. So I select on that and select OK. Now once I do that, you will notice I now have the audio input capture and the mic auxiliary input. So I always prefer to mute this, okay, so I can have control over my input capture alone. Mostly this mic auxiliary usually pick unnecessary noise. Likewise this, but you can actually correct this. Okay, so to get started now, probably you want to let your people to see you while you are recording. Okay, so to do that, you need to just click on the plus sign and select video capture device and select OK. So once you select the video capture device, select OK, as you can see me. Okay, now this is the device, the camera that's actually on my system, but I decided not to use that. I could also decide to switch to another camera, or use the OBS visual camera, okay, which there will be a tutorial on this separately. So select on this and select okay. You notice the resolution has changed because I have actually changed it to my external camera. Alright, so once I do that, now you can see myself here. Okay, so I can actually reduce this and position it to wherever I want it to actually stay. So I can decide to leave it here, or leave it here, or anywhere I actually want it to just hold on to. Alright, so mostly we always try to leave it around this side here, or in the center. It all depends on you. Okay, now one more thing you will notice, I will try to mute my I won't talk for now. You will notice the audio capture, you will notice it's actually still picking some noise. Okay, so you could see that it's actually picking the system noise, that is noise from the system. Now the way you could actually solve that is very quite easy. What you need to do is to select on this, or you could also select on the settings here. Okay, what I prefer to do is always select on this, that is the audio input capture. Right click and select filters. Okay, so once I select filters, I always love to see what I'm actually filtering out. Okay, so now first select this plus sign and select noise gate. Okay, so once I select the noise gate, you'll notice once I stop talking, you'll notice what really happened. It's not picking any noise like that. So let me stop talking for now. So as you can see, so it's not picking any noise for now, and that is when I talk alone is when it stops. If I don't talk, it's not going to talk at all. So that is it. So once that is done, you could actually, you close that, and you could also try to use the noise suspension. You could actually select the noise suspension. Okay, once you select the noise suspension, because I use both of them in respect to each other. Okay, so let me stop talking for now and see what will happen. Okay, so as you can see, once I stop talking, now this is set to high quality. You can actually decide to set it to low CPU usage. Okay, it all depends whether you can actually change the berry rate of the noise. Okay, it all depends on you, but I think this default mode is always good for a start. Then you can try to play over this to see which one works best for you. Okay, so once that is done, from there, what you need to do in order to change the settings of the system is you could just move down to the settings. Okay, then select output. From the output, select video. Then the output scale, you could actually change it to that same range and select apply. When you select apply, alright guys, in the next video I'm going to show you how to record from OBS Studio, and also how to locate your videos from OBS Studio. Alright, if you know you are okay by this, you can start recording, but if you need more knowledge on OBS Studio, I suggest you watch the next video. Alright, so please do not forget to like and subscribe to my video. Just in case you have any question, you can leave your question in the comment section below. Alright, so see you in the next video. Bye for now.